my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen, and I upload DIY, lifestyle, shop with me, and life hack videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Guys, I am so obsessed with fall. If you've been following my channel, you will know that I am just beaming this year with fall pride. I don't know what else to say about it, but I'm super excited. All of the pumpkins, the colors, and the feeling of fall setting in. Fall is my favorite season. Let me know in the comments below what yours is. So I actually filmed so much stuff that I had to break it up into 2 different videos. Otherwise it would have been like 25 minutes long of fall decor stuff. So this video is going to be part 1, and we are going to Target, Ross, and HomeGoods, and then part 2 is going to be Marshalls and TJ Maxx. I will leave a link in the description below. Without further ado, let's go shopping. I got my first pumpkin spice latte of the season. Guys, if you're not following the macro barista, he has Starbucks hacks on how to order all these cool, crazy drinks and what all the macros are. So like the calories and how to like slim them down and what to order. So I did this one, and I will insert the instructions on the right. You can screenshot it. Definitely check him out. He is great, especially if you're doing like keto and stuff. Oh, if you're into the scary Halloween, this stuff's really cute. These little bottles with the tops. Oh wow, this is actually super cute, even if you're not into the scary Halloween. These are so cute. I love the ones with the little tops. That's cute. Pumpkin cat hut. How cute! These are so adorable. These are $14.99. That's adorable. Oh, it's soft. How many people dress up their dogs for Halloween? Let me know in the comments what your dogs or cats are going as for Halloween. Oh my god. I don't know what Ollie's gonna be yet, so I need inspiration. Comment below. Their pillows are okay. They're definitely not as nice, but they're cute. See how much they are. It's $11.99. I mean, versus most of the ones at TJ Maxx are $16.99, so. I actually like this candle. This is the first time I've seen it sitting on like one of those plant potters. That's really cute. So now we're at Target, and I'm just show you what's in like their dollar bin section. Their dollar bin section is like my favorite section ever. I just have some cute little Halloween things. Oh, I love these. These little like wood signs, little pine cones, and these are only $1 actually. These are really cute. They have the string lights. These would be great out on like a balcony. $3, and they're battery operated. Those are cool. The thankful signs. Actually, this is really good. This is actually thick wood. Like, so are these ones. These are only $3 too. I'm knocking everything over. I think you can put little tea lights in these guys. That's cute. Scrapbook papers. Oh, wow. This is only $3, guys. It's so thick and heavy. Oh my god, that's adorable. I think I need this. I don't know where, but I need this. I'm gonna get it. Oh, we have these little leaf plates. You get 2 of them. And these little pumpkin plates. They're adorable. And these, it comes with 2 of them for $3. How do they do that? I have no idea. What are these? These are ceramic fall canisters. I don't know, you can put sugar or something in them. Hello Fall mug. It's $3. Cute. Oh, they have little bottle wine toppers things. That's cute. What else? What is that? Oh, just pumpkin stuff. Baby little tiny pumpkins for $1. Stupid. And just some like knick-knack kids Halloween stuff. This is pretty. This is like rose gold. Oh, it's a pumpkin. See, shape? That's pretty big and it's nice, so I guess you could put like fruit and stuff in here. These would be cute with a little candle in it out on like a patio. A recipe tin. That's very cute, but I have Pinterest. Very cute. No. Oh god, he's cute. Okay, this is scary Halloween, and I don't want scary Halloween yet. I just want pretty Halloween. Okay, here's some pretty Halloween. I kind of really love this squirrel. black and white dishes, which are really cute. And the black polka dots, definitely these striped ones are amazing. Really into that. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Until next time.